Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, fellow Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to elevate your truck's style and functionality? Today, I'm here to unveil the ultimate solution, the world's top 5 running boards for Toyota Tacoma. Whether you're aiming for rugged durability or sleek aesthetics, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we explore these top picks to enhance your Tacoma experience. Ready to take your ride to the next level? Let's dive in. So check the link in the description below. Number 1. Tiger Auto Lander X Running Board, specially crafted for Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2023. These aren't your typical drop steps. Lander X boasts a distinctive triangular carbon steel tubing design that sets it apart, offering both durability and aesthetic appeal. With a 5-inch drop, it ensures easy entry and exit, making it ideal for owners of lifted trucks and SUVs. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel with a dual-stage e-coating powder textured black finish, these sidebars are built to withstand the elements while enhancing your vehicle's look. Installation is a breeze with everything you need included, both driver and passenger side running boards, along with all necessary hardware and brackets. Plus, it's a straightforward bolt-on process that can be completed in just 20 minutes, no drilling required. Tiger backs up the quality of their product with a no-hassle 5-year warranty for U.S. customers against manufacturing defects. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with the Lander X running board, combining style, functionality, and durability seamlessly. Number 2. APS Stainless Steel Pocket Steps Running Boards, tailor-made for Toyota Tacoma models spanning from 2005 to 2023, specifically designed for double and crew cab variants. Crafted from durable stainless steel square tubing and adorned with drop-step pads, these boards boast a triple-layer black powder coating, exuding an aggressive and rugged aesthetic while ensuring longevity. APS patented design blends seamlessly into urban environments, offering both style and practicality without compromising fuel efficiency. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds, these running boards are engineered with precision to provide sturdy support. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included mounting hardware and comprehensive DIY instructions, making it hassle-free for anyone to enhance their Tacoma's functionality and appearance. Plus, with a limited 5-year warranty guarding against manufacturing defects, you can embark on your adventures with confidence. Elevate your Tacoma's capabilities with APS Stainless Steel Pocket Steps Running Boards. Number 3. Oddhow Running Boards for Toyota Tacoma Double/Crew Cab, the perfect accessory to elevate your Tacoma's style and functionality. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, these running boards are built to withstand the toughest conditions while preventing corrosion for long-lasting durability. The wide drop-step design not only adds a sleek and aggressive look to your truck but also provides easier access in and out of your vehicle, thanks to its drop-down style. With special non-slip tread step pads, you can confidently step onto these boards with superior traction, even in wet conditions. These running boards can support a maximum load of over 450 pounds, ensuring both strength and safety for passengers. What's more, installation is a breeze with no drilling or modification required, thanks to the included mounting brackets, hardware, and straightforward instructions. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with Oddhow running boards for enhanced style, convenience, and protection on the road. Number 4. OEDRO 6.5-inch running boards, tailored to elevate your Toyota Tacoma experience. Crafted for precise compatibility with 2005 to 2023 Tacoma double cabs, these side steps redefine convenience and style. Boasting an expansive 6.5-inch width, they ensure safe and effortless entry and exit. The step pads, fashioned from stamped stainless steel and coated with durable textured black powder, offer unparalleled traction and corrosion resistance. Constructed from robust aluminum alloy, these boards withstand rigors with ease, supported further by alloy bulkheads at both ends, capable of handling up to 350 pounds without bending. Their distinctive six-sided tube design snugly hugs the rocker panels, imparting a rugged aesthetic while enhancing traction with a division canal and blind road combination. Plus, the aluminum alloy end caps not only enhance durability but also add a touch of sleekness. With slidable rails for customizable positioning and straightforward bolt-on installation requiring no drilling or cutting, these running boards are the epitome of ease and functionality. Elevate your Tacoma with OEDRO's premium running boards, where durability meets design seamlessly. Number 5. Smano Drop-Down Running Boards, the perfect addition for your Toyota Tacoma double cab crew cab, offering both style and functionality. Crafted with durability in mind, these running boards are constructed from heavy textured powder-coated steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. The dual-stage textured black powder finish not only adds to the rugged appearance but also provides superior traction with special non-slip tread step pads. With a wide drop step measuring 3.5 inches, these Estribos Para Toyota Tacoma make entering and exiting your vehicle a breeze, while the durable non-slip steps offer added protection. Designed for strength, these running boards can support a maximum load of over 450 pounds, thanks to the 3-inch tube construction that minimizes the gap between the bar and frame. Installation is a snap with no drilling or modification required, as each set includes 2 steps, mounting brackets, hardware, and detailed instructions. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with the Smano drop-down running boards for a clean yet aggressive look that enhances both form and function. In conclusion, adding running boards to your Toyota Tacoma can enhance both its aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're looking for easier access to your vehicle, extra protection against road debris, or simply a stylish upgrade, running boards offer a practical solution. With various styles and materials available, you can personalize your Tacoma to suit your needs and preferences. So, why wait? Invest in running boards today and elevate your driving experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with fellow Tacoma enthusiasts for more updates and informative content. Drive safely and stay tuned for more.